What is going on? Strolling with me, I'm Todd. Welcome to the channel. Let's get started. Out for another beautiful hike. Not supposed to be as warm this morning. We're on another part of the Red Blaze Trail. The other trails are supposed to be open. I can't fair to see if they were open. They were supposed to be open the other day and they weren't. And I just seen a log truck go down through. So that means these other trails will be open soon. But in the meantime, we can take a look at all this other beautiful scenery. Very, very peaceful. Now I did pass two other people with dogs. They were way down that way. So I don't think we'll pass anybody else right now. And I have not seen any types of wildlife today. Not even a squirrel. I heard the birds, but that is about it. But hopefully we will see some type of wildlife. See, they do some extreme mountain biking up here. They come down these trails and they have stuff like that set up that they climb up or ride up or ramp up. I just want to get out here and go for a walk this morning before me and him start our day. I gotta get home and get some stuff done because I do work from home. Yeah, see, they ride. We'll go over to the other side here then. I'll show you the other side. Yeah, it's supposed to be in the upper, here, let's go this way. It's supposed to be in the upper 70s today. Yesterday, it was Thursday, it was in the high 80s, close to almost 90. Yeah, see, they'll ride up that other side and they'll come down and they'll go down that and they'll ride across. Pretty fun. Or it can be pretty scary. But we're gonna walk this trail here and go down to the end down here and see what we see out across yonder. Nice breeze today. Very, very nice breeze. Oh, there's somebody. Come on. Very nice. Go ahead, everything growing back.
She's friendly.
Okay.
Okay. Thanks.
Yep. Alright, well, we did encounter somebody. I didn't think we were going to. But it's all good. He was like, what the heck? Where'd they come from? They were up on the another trail up on this side here. Yep, what a beautiful day to be out. If you can get out and enjoy life a little bit. Enjoy nature, even if you can go to a park or something. Be where these trees are at. It's good. It's good for your soul. Very good to be out in some type of nature. He definitely enjoys it. So I figured we'd come up here to this observation deck and look out across here, see what we see. There's some vultures. Sorry for the wind. They're all flying around up here. There's one down here now. There was a whole bunch of them. Sorry for the quality there. I tried to set my big tripod up, but it wouldn't stand up here in the wind. The wind kept shaking it all around, so. This is what we're dealing with here. A lot of wind right now. So some of the trails we want to go on are up that way. He's ready to go. He wants to keep on walking. He's literally making his way this way. But yeah, some of the trails we want to go are up that way there. If you go up that way, follow these electrical towers. I don't know if you probably can't hear the electric running through them now. It's too windy. But if you follow these towers up one, there's another hill straight ahead, sort of around the corner there. That there's another one of these observation decks. But some of these trails down here are closed. I did see somebody on a bicycle come through, and I was trying to switch out my tripods. But very nice view today. Little hazy, but you got 3 Mile Island straight ahead there, and then you got Bruner Island right there with the smoke coming out. But I think it's time to head back into the woods where it's not as windy. Well, at least we got to see a little bit of stuff today. Got to go for another walk in the woods to clear out our mind and just have a little bit of fun and look at nature and see what's going on. Very peaceful, very nice. Hope you guys like this kind of stuff. We're going to hopefully make another video tomorrow on Saturday. Yes, today is Friday, April 17th, 2026. So that means tomorrow will be Saturday, April 18th. So hopefully we can make some kind of good video tomorrow. The wife will be with us. The wife will be with us. Couldn't talk there from this, so slurring my words a little bit. but it's always fun to get out and about and enjoy nature. We do have some different plans and stuff coming up. We're not going to spoil them, so if you could, and you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for me. Give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment. And let me know what kind of stuff you enjoy doing. I believe on Sunday we're supposed to get rain, so trying to figure out some stuff. And that don't always mean that we're going to get rain if they say it. It could be in the evening, it could be in the morning. I don't believe it's supposed to be a total washout. But maybe we might even... We were talking about doing some live videos at home. So if that's something that you're interested in, us doing some live videos at home, let me know in the comments. We're going to take this trail here back, I believe. Yeah, over by the observation deck, there's all them rocks there. If you go up towards that big parking lot, there's some rocks you can walk out on. And a long time ago, I walked out on one of the rocks, and it wasn't too high up. It was only like 3 or 4 feet off the ground. And I looked down, and there was a deer laying right on the other side of the rock. Not only did it scare me, but I scared it. We both jumped. But I've not seen any deer today yet. Just the other day in our other video. Here's some dogwoods. I believe these are dogwoods. Good old thorns coming back. Got the jaggers. You gotta watch out for them things there. They'll get you. And Mr. Bubby here likes to go into them for some reason. Yeah, that road there leads up to the big parking lot, but the gate is closed. And then there's a path over. I'll zoom. You stay there for a minute, bub. There's a path over there. That is a walking path that they just paved a few years ago, I believe. This first one right here is the road. And then the other one is the walking path. But that goes from the main gate up to the big parking lot. And there's lots of trails that go off on that side also. That's what I'm waiting to open up. Because I like going over on that side to walk and hike. And I like going up at the other end of the parking lot. There's woods on the other side there that we like to walk and hike. I like this side too. This side's pretty nice. I haven't been on this side that much till recently. There's a squirrel out there. It's on that tree. sort of see its little tail right there. Sorry about the shakiness there. Yeah, I'm not sure where we're going tomorrow or what we're doing, but we're going to figure that out today. And then tomorrow we can go enjoy something fun. Hopefully. No, we're not going over there. See, he knows we can go. He knows we can go over that way. No, we're not going that way. Yeah, I can't remember what the names of these are, so I'll have to look them up. But these here, the ones with two of them, will get the flowers. I know in the other video I said that I think they're male or female, and they very well could be. I'm not a plant expert of any means, but the one with the one cap don't get flowers. The one with the two cap gets flowers, and I'll show you right here. There's the flower. You can see it right there, underneath there. There's the flower starting. So if you ever see these, they'll get a flower on them. I think they're called apple something. I could be wrong with that too. But I did take a screenshot of them, and I will see what they're called. I can't not remember for the life of me what they are called. I know what they're called, but I cannot remember. And I'm still dealing with my sinus issue that's mostly going away. It comes back at nighttime a little bit, and then through the morning I still have it, and then once I get going through the day, it's pretty much gone. So I'll say it's probably about like 85% gone. But yeah, you'll see these up through here, all over these and ferns. Don't be licking nothing. He likes to lick stuff. Now I don't know if they are poisonous or toxic to dogs, so just be aware. Yeah, there's another one with two. There's a whole bunch up here. But they'll get the flower. The ones with two petals. Here's a good one there. You can see the flower starting right there. That little bulb, or whatever it's called. This trail that we're on is an exercise trail. It has all the exercise stuff on it. Different bars and pull-ups and push-up things and all this other fun stuff throughout the way here. This trail here goes up that way and then around to where we were on the observation deck, and that has a little bit of stuff on it. He sees the guy behind us and getting a little bit paranoid. But these are the only two trails that have, I think this sort of loops around to that trail. So, but these are the only trails that have that exercise stuff on it. Alright, here's some more. And you can see the flower that's underneath there. Alright, here's another one. starting. And then up that way there's another one there. And then there's one more right there. So there's some more up here. This one here really opened up. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I'm glad we could see them, so you know what I'm talking about if you're not familiar with them. I don't know if they grow all over the United States or in other countries or whatever, but no, let it be. But there's a whole bunch up here behind me there. That's what all them are. They're all through here. But pretty cool. We can see them. I like the flowers. They're really pretty. They only grow on the ones that have 2 leaves growing out of the stem. So if I remember, I'll put the name somewhere in the video. The sun's pretty bright today. Very nice, beautiful day. And we did pass a bunch of people so far, so I didn't think we were going to, but we did. And I see there a lot of them have flowers on them. Here's some more workout area here. Do some chin-ups, incline chin-ups, invert chin-ups. Lots of different ways to do chin-ups. So I've seen people walking over there. And I see people walking on the road. But there's a big sign. I tried to take a video of it, but the camera won't pick up all the letters. One of them big like construction sign things that light up. It won't pick up all the words on there. It says the trails are still closed. Not to go over there, and they still have the signs up, so I don't want to get in trouble to go over there, because I can see the papers, and there's actually a trail right up here that sometimes we would take, because we're right by the pavilion, and it says the trails. Let's walk down here for a minute, Bob. It says the trails are still closed. See, active timber harvest, stay out. So you can't go over there. And I don't know what that pink paper says. It probably has the dates and stuff, but see, they did clear a couple trees out. There's some trees there. It looks like not so dead trees. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you enjoyed this little nature walk. Hope I didn't ramble too much. Figured I'd get out, make a video, and take him for a pup walk. So, as soon as I told my wife, I said, I think I'm taking him up to the woods today. His tail started going a mile a minute. But I want to thank you for coming along. I hope you have a great day. And go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Leave me a comment and give me a thumbs up. And we will catch you on the next one, my friend. Till the next time, have a great day.